everyone! I just wanted to share a haul with you today. I went to Michael's, Joann's, Hobby Lobby, the Dollar Tree, and I also have some new dyes to share with you from AliExpress. So I'll start off with the Dollar Tree items. This is a serving platter that I got that I thought would be really fun to alter. Picked up some mini glue sticks, and there's 20 in the pack, and they seem longer than like the standard glue stick. So I also got these little jars. So I'm going to be making some DIY alcohol inks. Picked up some hand sanitizer. That's supposed to be good for cleaning off a stamp platform. And I picked up some of these wooden sticks. I'm going to use them as stir sticks along with these cups because I picked up some resin today as well. So I just got 10 plastic cups, and then I figured the craft sticks can have other uses too, and I thought they were pretty colors. And then I also picked up these aluminum foil sheets. So I like that they have the individual sheets because you can roll them out and attach them to scrapbook paper or cereal box cardboard and glue them down for a foiling technique. And I'll show you a little bit later some of the die cuts I made using that technique. So next up is stuff that I got from one last thing from Dollar Tree. I just got this pair of flip-flops. I thought they were really cute, and I like that they were two different patterns. So now I'm going to show you some Hobby Lobby goodies. I picked up the Sculpey push mold. This has got 8 different, they're called art doll faces, and I thought they were really cute. I thought they'd be great for clay and for resin too, but with clay, I thought it would be interesting to try reshaping a face and adding details to it after you've put it in the mold. I also got this large Yaley plaster casting mold, and I've been watching a lot of Heather Tracy's Mixed Media YouTube channel, and she actually recommended that mold for a shrine that she made that is crazy amazing. So this is the resin that I picked up. This is my first time using this type. It's the Illuminite Fast Cast, and it cures within, I believe, 10 minutes, and it turns white like you can see on the package. So that'll be really fun to try that out. It also got really good reviews. And then I also picked up a Sizzix Precision base plate. This is the heavy metal plate and it is very sturdy. You can tell just when you're holding it, it's really solid, and it's supposed to be really good for intricate dies. So I'm looking forward to trying that out because I have recently gotten a lot of intricate dies, and that base plate is recommended for just like you see in the picture there, anything with a lot of different little holes and shapes that need to be die cut. So now I'm just going to show you some of the AliExpress stuff. This is a craft and baking mat that I bought, and it just arrived in the mail today. I believe it was around $1, and it's similar to the Tim Holtz craft mat, and it's quite large. It's actually larger than that mat. It did come creased like that, which is no big deal. I was a little bit disappointed when I first saw it, but you know, it was less than $1, and it's supposed to be non-stick, so I just put down that paper stack so that you could hopefully see the dies better. So I picked up a Mad Hatter die, or didn't pick it up, that's one of the AliExpress dies. And hopefully I'm not doing any repeats here because I did show a small haul from AliExpress before, and I've been receiving the dies over several weeks, and so it's hard to keep track of which ones I've shown. Hopefully these are all new to my channel. So this was a little window set. It's got this little flower box that you can cut out, and then it has 3 different window shapes that you could choose from. It's got this really cool arched window, and then it's got that cute little cat that you can see on the bottom right. So next up, I got this horse and carriage die. This is another reason I picked up the precision base plate is, as you can see, I actually distorted this die and made it kind of bowed. And so I'm hoping that the precision plate will help me flatten it back out. So next is this deer with a really pretty frame. And it made me think of Bambi. I just thought it was super cute. And I'll show you a little bit later on the die cuts that I made with most of these dies. I got that signpost. Not sure if I might have shown that in a previous haul, because I've had that one probably for a few weeks now. Then I got this lady that is really pretty. This actually reminds me a lot of Tattered Lace dies, if you're familiar. I believe they're a UK company. I also got this little miniature set of playing cards to use in Alice in Wonderland themed mixed media, and so they're just these cute little playing cards. I think they could have a lot of uses and you could alter them in lots of different ways, so those will be fun to play with. And I also liked that they were miniature. Just adds kind of a special cute little something different. So I got this fence die. I'm actually really into any of like the architecture dies, like houses and fences and windows, and I've tried out all of these dies and they all work really well. I also got another fence post die, but I couldn't find it today to show you guys, unfortunately. So this was a tea cup and teapot set. Has lots of cute little elements like the little spoon, a heart. This is a lantern die that's super cute, just a little die. And all these range between under $1 to maybe around $3.50 on the high end of pricing, with free shipping. So here's some of the die cuts that I made with the aluminum foil, which has been pasted to scrapbook paper. This is the fence post, and one of the little tops of the fence post fell off of that one, but I'll show you another one that I cut out with the same die that turned out better. So there's a Mad Hatter. I just put some distress stain on it. There's one of the teacups. Can definitely see a theme going with Alice in Wonderland and fairy tales with these dies. This is a die cut that I made with a large teacup die that I got a couple weeks ago. I was really happy with how that one turned out. There's a lantern, and I just put some alcohol ink on the aluminum foil. And this is a die that I got a couple weeks ago. I just thought I would show you how it looks cut out. It's a castle with a really pretty flower frame around it. And here are some sewing themed die cuts. So this is in kind of a spool or bobbin shape, and it's actually a nested die set, and there's the set right there. So you get 3 different sizes. And I basically just took some scrapbook paper from Joann's and glued them back to back. There's some journal tags that are also nested. I might have shown those in a previous haul. But like I said, all these dies have worked really well. There's the fence post. And here is the larger gate. die cut. Couldn't find that die to show you guys today, but it cuts really, really beautifully, and I love how it looks with the metallic. There's the horse and carriage with a lot of gloppy gesso that I put on it. So it doesn't look as crisp as it normally would, but I was just trying it out to kind of beef it up a little bit. The connection between the horse and the carriage was a little bit weak, so I was trying to use the gesso to make that a little bit stronger so it doesn't break. And there's the little deer cut out. I think that's one of my favorites. And there's the lady. I love all the detail in her hat and her dress. Just trying to give you a better look up against a darker background there. I think that one will be a really fun one to try out with some alcohol inks, maybe some distress inks. So thanks so much for watching, you guys. I really appreciate it, and I hope to see you in my next video. All right, take care. Bye-bye.